Okay, so in this video, we will find the price elasticity of demand for the given demand function for three different prices. So recall that price elasticity of demand is given by P over X over the rate of change of the demand function with respect to X, therefore dP over dx. So we already have P, so we can find P over X. We need the derivative of P with respect to X. Well, this is quite simple. As our demand function is a line, the derivative is quite simply negative 2. So now we can replace. So P over X, so P is negative 2x plus 60 over X over the derivative, which is negative 2. So let me first divide through the numerator here by X. So negative 2x over X is negative 2 plus 60 over X. And this is all over negative 2. And once again, let me divide both terms on the numerator by negative 2. So negative 2 over negative 2, positive 1. 60 over negative 2, negative 30. So we have the price elasticity of demand given as 1 minus 30 over X. So let's now calculate E for three different values of P. So suppose first that the price is $40. Well, we can only calculate E as it is a function of X if we have the corresponding X value given a price of $40. So if you plug in here for P a value of 40 and you solve for X, you find that X is quite simply 10 units. So if X is 10, then the elasticity will be 1 minus 30 over 10, which is 1 minus 3. Which is quite simply negative 2. Well, this is strictly less than, and there's two ways to view it. So you can say E is therefore strictly less than negative 1, or equivalently, that in absolute value, E is bigger than 1. So in this case, we have a demand that is elastic. So when the unit price is $40, the demand is elastic. What about a price now of $30? Once again, we must find the corresponding X value. So replace P by 30, solve for X, and you find that X must be 15. Therefore, the elasticity is 1 minus 30 over X, which is 15. This is 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. So E is negative 1, or equivalently in absolute value, E is equal to 1, which means that for a price of $30, the demand is unitary. And our third and last example, what if we take a unit price of say $12, sorry. So we need the corresponding X value, so plug in here for P, $12, solve for X, and you find that X is 24. So E will be 1 minus 30 over 24. And this is quite simply 1 minus 1.25. which is negative 0.25. So, again, there's two ways to view this. So, either you say that E is between 0 and negative 1, or you say equivalently that in absolute value, E is less than 1. So when in absolute value E is less than 1, which is the case, then the demand is inelastic. And that's it. So we had here a given demand function with the corresponding price elasticity, and for three different values of unit price, we found that for $40 the demand was elastic, for $30 the demand was unitary, and for $12 the demand was inelastic. And this is how you calculate the price elasticity of demand given some unit price and a demand function. And that's it.